Yeah, guys, what's up? You know what it is. This is BlakeWrTv, Chef Blake, and I'm doing this video to let you guys know I did a video with the soup, the cold food soup, and YouTube strike the video as copyright based on the soundtrack playing in the background. I didn't know that was one of them non-copyright type of thing, you know. So I put up several videos before with this soundtrack, but this one in particular has the artist singing at the end of the clip or something, and YouTube is saying that the video cannot be monetized. So I had to did some editing, trying to cut the video, and I tried to use a YouTube software to change the video, but that didn't work out. So eventually I had to re-upload the video again. So you guys may end up seeing two videos of the same thing on there. If you look closely, you'll notice one of the videos is like 19 minutes long. That's the full complete original version of the video, and the edited version, the YouTube have the problem with the copyright stuff with the music soundtrack in the background. That one was not intentional, you know, so didn't know it was gonna hit with any strike or anything like that. But I went ahead and I upload the other version without any soundtrack. So you guys, if you haven't seen the Jamaican authentic cold food soup, beautiful delicious recipe, you guys can go check out the original video. The other older video that was up there, it's been cut. If you guys are trying to watch that video, it's only go for like 8 minutes and some seconds, so it's gonna be cut off sometimes somewhere in the soup pot. I know you guys want to check out the rest of the recipe and see what the thing turned out, you know what I mean, you dig? So anyway, you guys can click on the new video and watch the whole thing. Just look at the one that has 19 minutes and you guys can see the whole video and enjoy the soup, you see me? Alright, in a real life Jamaican thing, yardman style cooking. Alright, thank you for watching. Keep on subscribing and keep on hit the like button, guys. I want you guys to help me reach 1,000 subscribers. Hit the subscribe button, guys. Help out the channel, help grow the channel. The channel is young, growing, up and running, and you guys, I'm depending on you guys to hit that subscribe button. Help me grow the channel, help support the thing. For those of you who already subscribed, thanks to you guys from my heart. I appreciate that. And for others who are viewing this in the channel, consider subscribing, or at least hit the thumbs up. Hit the thumbs up button and help the channels out. You know what I mean? So do whatever you got to do, guys, to help the channel out. If you don't want to subscribe, at least just hit the thumbs up button. If you like the video, if you don't like the video, you can hit the thumbs down button. It's fine with me. You know what I mean? But at least you do something. I appreciate that. Comment if you got anything you want to ask me about the video, guys. If anything you want to see me cook that I haven't cooked before, you can also comment on that as well. Let's keep a little discussion going on the video. I appreciate that. And in the meantime, I'm gonna head out to the grocery store, get me some more groceries. You know, I'm cooking, so I always have to be in the grocery store getting something fresh to be cooking in BlakeWrTv kitchen. You know what it is. You know what I mean? We always have something sizzling. All right, guys, keep on watching. I'll be right back. Don't go nowhere. Don't touch that dial. Keep it going. Alright, I need some healthy juice. I'm trying to figure out which should I get. Carrot juice, 100%. Should I go with something else? We got a naked. I like this one. I like the naked juice. How much for it? $7.99. $7.99. Yeah. Good to have some carrot juice. Probably go with the small one. Aiden, what do you think about this one? Good. You like that one? Okay, we're gonna go with a small carrot juice. What is that you pick up? What's that one called? Naked Blue? You like that one too? Oh, okay. All right, they got all the goody stuff up here. Strawberry Should I get me a strawberry? I wonder if they're sweet though. I don't want to get no strawberry and no sweet enough. Most definitely I'll pick up a strawberry. My strawberry have to be sweet. You see me? I don't want no fresh strawberry. I want my thing sweet and turn up. Price is right though. Only $1.79 up for the thing, so that's a good price. Watermelon. Should I get some watermelon? Summertime right now. Time is hot. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get a little piece of watermelon. I think I should get a little piece. Hey then, bring me my thing. Strawberry. Alright, we're gonna go over the cart. Put in the cart for me. Alright, we don't need any grape. We get some grape yesterday. So we're gonna skip the grape and work with the watermelon. A lot of fresh vegetable over here. Looking good. Cooking. Alright, let me get some of this. What is this? Parsley? See what this is. Fresh bundle. Must be parsley. Yep, it's parsley. Yeah, let me get some of this. Hey then.
We said we already have one.
We got parsley already? Okay. Yeah, man. It's BlakeWrTv doing some grocery shopping for the kitchen, you see me? Alright, so I'm looking for here Scotch bonnet pepper. You know, Scotch bonnet pepper I have to go upon every thing that I'm cooking. I like my food fiery. Wow, the pepper is high though. $4.99 a pound for pepper. And in Jamaica we have pepper growing in the backyard. Look how much you gotta buy pepper from over here, my guys. $4.99 per pound. Pepper price not normal in a real life. Pepper price is off the chain. Ginger. We have ginger already. These are gingers. We have ginger already. I'll make some more fish and I'll probably get some more okra. I don't want to get the okra too early still. We don't want to get the okra too early. Hey then, when you gonna start eat some fish? Huh? We don't want to get okra too early in our real life. Alright, I guess I need some more parsley. Not real life. Aiden, here's this. Hold this bag for me. Yeah. Okay, what else we need? Huh? You don't know? Make a list. What you want to be on the list?
Banana.
You want banana to be on the list? I need some chicken breast. Chicken wings. We got the party bag over here. Whole bag of chicken from Tyson. For the chicken. $24.99 per bag. How much pound? 10 pound in the bag. Yep. I'll make some chicken nuggets. I'll get some chicken breast for chicken nuggets. Chicken breast. Where's the chicken breast? Where are they hiding? In a real life. Okay, in a real life, where the chicken hiding? Alright, we got some chicken over here. I'm gonna do some drumstick. In a real life. Alright, let's see. Maybe should I work with some drumstick if I have them in the refrigerator for reserve. Aiden, here you go. Hold it good. Got it? You got it, you sure? Okay, still need my chicken breast. Still need my chicken breast. Go ahead and get my chicken breast. In real life.
Why do you keep saying in real life?
Alright, this is what? This is chicken breast. Cook some chicken breast. That's chicken, that's leg quarter. So where's the breast? Come like breast dog, it's scarce. So one day I want to cook some chicken foot soup.